Hey everyone, and welcome back to Mind Your English. I'm Vincent.
And I'm Kathy. We're so happy you're here with us today.
If this is your first time watching our channel, welcome. This is the place where you learn real English the way Americans actually speak it every day.
No boring textbooks, no confusing grammar rules, just natural, real English conversations that actually help you in real life.
And if you're coming back, welcome back. We love seeing you here again. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new episode. We upload every single day.
Every single day, so hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the bell so YouTube tells you when we upload.
Okay, Kathy, today's topic. I'm actually really excited about this one.
Me too, because this is something that confuses almost every English learner.
Every single one. I've met so many people learning English and they all make this mistake.
What is the mistake?
Mixing up will and going to.
Oh yes, classic confusion.
Right? Like, when do you say, I will call you, and when do you say, I am going to call you?
They sound almost the same, but they're actually different.
Exactly. And today, we're going to make it so simple that you will never confuse them again.
Never, ever again.
So let me start with a story. Last week, I was sitting at home watching TV, and suddenly I remembered, oh no, I forgot to buy milk.
Uh-oh.
So right in that moment, I said, I will go to the store.
Perfect example.
Right? Because that was a sudden decision. I didn't plan it before, it just happened in that moment. I saw the problem and immediately decided.
That's the key. Will is for sudden decisions you make right now, in this moment.
Exactly. Nobody told me yesterday, Vincent, please buy milk tomorrow. No, I just suddenly thought of it and decided right then.
So will equals surprise decision, unplanned, in the moment.
Perfect way to say it. Now, Kathy, tell me about going to.
Okay, so going to is completely different. Let me give you an example from my life.
Please.
So last month, I decided I want to learn how to cook Italian food. I bought cookbooks, I watched videos, I made a list of recipes.
Okay.
So when my friend asked me, Kathy, what are your plans for the weekend? I said, I am going to cook pasta on Saturday.
Because you already planned it.
Exactly. Before my friend even asked me, I already had the plan. The decision was already made. That's going to.
So going to equals already planned. You decided before this moment.
Yes, you can almost feel it coming. There's evidence, there's preparation.
I love that. Evidence and preparation. That's such a good way to remember it.
Think of it this way. If I look at dark clouds in the sky, I say it is going to rain because I can see the evidence right there. The clouds are already there.
Oh, that's such a good example.
But if I'm sitting inside and suddenly I hear rain, I didn't predict it. I just react and say, oh, it will rain all day, I think.
Right, because that's just your immediate thought in that moment.
Exactly.
Okay, so let me give everyone a super simple way to remember this. Are you ready?
Ready.
Will equals right now decision. Something just happened and you decide immediately. Going to equals already decided. You planned this before.
Simple and perfect.
Let's practice together. I'll say a situation and you tell me will or going to.
Let's do it.
Situation 1. Your phone rings. You answer it. Your friend asks, can you help me move apartments next weekend? You already said yes last week and you have it in your calendar.
Going to, because I already planned it.
Perfect. Situation 2. You're sitting in a restaurant. The waiter asks what you want. You quickly look at the menu and decide right there.
Will, because I'm deciding right now at that moment.
Exactly right. See how natural this is?
It really is once you understand the difference.
One more. Situation 3. You wake up in the morning. Last night you told yourself, tomorrow I'm exercising. You set your alarm. You put your gym clothes ready.
Definitely going to. All that preparation shows it was already planned.
Perfect. You're a natural, Kathy.
I've been speaking English my whole life, so I hope so.
Fair point. Okay, so let's also talk about one more thing. Offers and promises.
Oh, yes, this is important too.
When you make an offer or a promise in English, we almost always use will.
Right, like, don't worry, I will help you.
Or, I will never forget your birthday.
Or, I will call you tonight.
Because these are decisions you're making right now in this conversation. You're committing to something in this moment.
Not something you planned yesterday. Something you're deciding to do right now for someone.
Exactly. Offers and promises almost always use will.
Okay, let's quickly review everything we learned today.
Perfect. So, number 1.
Will is for sudden decisions made right now in this moment.
Number 2.
Going to is for plans and decisions already made before this moment.
Number 3.
Will is for offers and promises you make during a conversation.
And number 4.
Going to is when there's already evidence or preparation for something.
That's it. 4 simple rules. No more confusion between will and going to.
If you practice these 4 rules every day, you will start using them naturally very quickly.
And the best way to practice is to listen to real English conversations like this one every single day.
Which is exactly why we upload a new episode every day here on Mind Your English.
Every single day. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do it right now. Just tap that subscribe button below this video.
And if this video helped you today, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow and helps more English learners find us.
We would love that. And tell us in the comments below. Write a sentence using will or going to. Let's practice together in the comments.
Yes, we read every single comment. We love hearing from you.
We really do. This community is growing every day, and we are so grateful for each and every one of you.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today at Mind Your English.
Remember, every day you practice is one day closer to speaking English with confidence.
You can do this. We believe in you.
See you tomorrow with a brand new episode.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next episode.